So what do you know about Nicaragua? Have you done your research? Have you found out that about the cost of living, that it's comparatively less expensive than where you live? That maybe that the beaches are beautiful, that the people are friendly? Well, if you really want to know a little bit more about Nicaragua, I suggest that you research a little bit of history. This will give you a deeper understanding of why things are the way they are here, what has shaped the way of life for Nicaraguans. About 10 years ago, I read a book that was just chocker block full of information about Nicaragua. It covers everything from the far north of Nicaragua to the Atlantic coast, the Caribbean Sea, including the Corn Islands, to San Juan del Sur, and everything in between. It was very educational for me, and it's helped me a lot. This book was written by a young American journalist who, at about 25 years of age, he was very hungry for a story, and he came to Managua, the capital city, in the early 80s, and he lived there in Managua at some of the most interesting times in Nicaraguan history. This man's name is Stephen Kinzer, and he wrote the book Blood of Brothers. So this is what it looks like here, and this is what my copy looks like. Here. As you can see, that has been read a few times. I've lent it out. It's missing a few pages. But I do recommend reading this book. I think that it will give you a deeper understanding of Nicaragua and its people. I have to tell you, though, that this book is not a quick read. It is not light reading. It's 363 pages of very small print, 22 chapters. It covers things like when they first started considering putting a canal through Nicaragua from the Caribbean side to the Pacific side. It covers the years from approximately 1902 to 1990. But this will give you some background on the history of this amazing country. I've attached a link in the description box below if you would like to purchase your own copy. I would lend you mine, but it's in quite rough shape. It's missing pages and it's falling apart. But on the inside cover here, this is what it reads. It says, "For Joanne, with gratitude for your warm Nicaraguan hospitality. Warm regards, Stephen Kinzer." So I can't throw it away, even though it's falling apart. But I hope that you do read it, and I hope that you find it enjoyable and helpful in your time here in Nicaragua.